This quick video is about how to share an album on Photos app using iPhone and iPad. Okay, first open your Photos app and click this plus icon and tap New Shared Album. Now enter a name for your album. I just type testing, then tap next. Later we can add the person, so now just tap create. That's it. Now your shared album was created. Now we need to move the photos and videos to this album. Back. Now you can choose the photos. For me, I open this Twitter. I just select all these photos. Select all. Like this, you need to select the photos. Then tap the share button. Swipe up. Yeah. Now you can see this option add to shared album. Click that. Now on the bottom you can see the shared album testing. Click that. Make sure it selects testing. If you want to create a new album, you can also create here. Just back and tap post. That's it. Now your selected photos will be moved to the shared album. Just back and here you can see your shared album. Here you can see all the photos. Now if you want to share this album means just click that and tap invite people. Now just type the email ID or click this plus icon. Then you can select the person from your iPhone contact. Just like that. Then tap add. Now it's invited. That's it. And if you wish, you can also invite more peoples. Then tap done. And this is how you can share an album on iPhone. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.